First of all, make sure that you will have the termination kit with complete set of accessories and proper cable preparation tools. Simply cut out the cable as per the required dimensions of your installation. It is very important to read and follow the instruction given with the termination kit before the installation. Now cut back the jacket material as per the required length. Care must be taken not to even nick the semiconductor layer while removing outer insulation. Normally in heavy cranes, flexible cable are being used. Therefore the cable does not have any copper shield or aluminium armor shield, which make it easier to work with. Safety is very important when you deal with high voltage. So for your own safety, make sure to follow safety instructions set out by your organization. After removing the jacket material, cut and remove soft polymer filler which has been used to fill the void between each core. Cold shrinkable silicone rubber glove now can be installed. Before it, make sure that termination surface is clean enough so that any destructive leakage current could not be initiated. First, clean the termination surface properly using emery papers provided with your termination kit. Then use approved solvent cleaning tissues provided with the same termination kit to remove any embedded contaminants. Apply a few rounds of PVC tape over the outer jacket to make a good grip between the boot and the surface. And it also helps to prevent dust and moisture go through if the boot is not fitted well. Then clean each and every core properly before inserting the termination boot. Insert cold shrink breakout boot carefully without snagging spiral core on the boot, and make sure boot joint is placed exactly on the square cut of the jacket. After the boot has been positioned correctly, simply unwind the spiral cores in the counterclockwise direction to install it. Now rejecting sleeves to be installed near the breakout boot, so clean each core properly before installing it. Core of the sleeve can be removed after positioning it on the breakout boot. The sleeve should be positioned in such a way that it creates a seal to the boot. These cold shrink tubes are quicker and easier to install than heat shrink alternatives. If three pieces are to be connected in different dimensions, you may have to cut each core to its desired length. Now remove the semicon layer 4 to 5 inches from the cut and let the lugs to be installed. Care must be taken not to damage the dielectric when removing the semicon. After that, strip the cable sheath and install the lug. Use an approved solvent cleaning tissue to remove dirt and carbon particles from the semicon. Silicon dielectric compound can then be applied over both cutting edges where the semicon is removed. Then apply a layer of silicone tape over each cutting edge to moisture seal the termination body. On top of the silicon tape layer, apply a layer of semiconducting tape to provide a better cable shield continuation. Now the termination body can be installed, so position the shrinking end of the tube at the lug end and unwind the spiral core. Apply a second layer of silicon tape over the lug barrel to moisture seal the lug and termination body. To wrap up things, a heat shrink sleeve can be installed for earthing cables. Make sure that the heat is applied uniformly around the entire tube when shrinking the sleeve.